now your CBS 47 Pinpoint weather forecast.
Good evening to you. I'm CBS 47 meteorologist Justin Sacher. As we started the week, we knew there was going to be a pre-Thanksgiving storm system and a post-Thanksgiving storm system. The post-Thanksgiving storm system arrived tonight. You can see wet camera after wet valley cam here in North Fresno. The light still from the shopping center there at Fresno River Park, still glowing bright. And still quite a few people still on the road. 46 degrees outside in 5 miles, and up in the medium elevations, we're now watching rain fall on top of snow. Places like Crestman's here in Pine Ridge, so that rain snow level is now up to Shaver. It's going to keep going uphill, and that's going to drop rain on top of the snow that's at Shaver. It's going to drop rain on top of the snow that's near Oakhurst and Yosemite, and it's really going to make a mess because those snow levels were down in the 2,000-foot range, and this is pretty intense rain. Not all areas here getting that intensity, but a few spots. And for how long we're going to see this atmospheric river setup over the area, it is going to really make a mess of things. Pinpoint forecast for the night tonight keeps some of that heavy rain here from Fresno through the foothills. And then as we go through the day tomorrow, Fresno's kind of going to be on the southern end of this, where you see this line of showers and activity basically hanging out to the north of Fresno, somewhat stationary up there as we keep getting more moisture pumped in from the Pacific. It's finally, as we go through later on Monday morning, that we see the more intense area of that front begin to cross over Fresno. So areas to the north of Fresno going to get quite a bit more in precipitation than those to the south. But then we've got a setup coming through the middle of the week where we will see a return of showers, and then through the end of the week we will see yet another one. If you're counting, this is significant storm system number 3 of the season. It'll be the 3rd in 2 weeks. So precipitation forecast here, looking between a ½ inch to an inch, probably a lot more here to the north of Fresno than here in Fresno. But at Hume Lake, close to a ½ inch of rain on top of the snow you have there. In Shaver Lake, close to an inch of rain on top of the snow you have there. In Oakhurst and North Fork, same thing. Yosemite, an inch of rain on top of that rain. So 48 degrees outside right now here in Fresno. We're still looking at 32 at this hour in Shaver, but it will warm. Like tomorrow's temperature will be warmer than today's 51. We will not drop into the 30s again overnight. And your solar forecast from Renewable Solar shows less electricity generation because of less sunlight. Air quality right now is good, and your allergy report from Dr. Emma Minian and the Allergy Institute stays low for the next 4 days. So we will see a return of more rain and snow as we look at your Sierra forecast. And finally, for the valley, boy, those temperatures are going to be warmer because rain rather than snow now, with showers pretty much through the rest of the week ahead.
Well, we need that rain, but maybe not all at once.
Yeah.
It's going to be a dreary week for sure.
It's suddenly changed. You could split November in half.
Thank you, Justin. Well, check this out, and no, it's not the ocean. It's massive waves in Lake Superior in Minnesota. High tide and flooding is causing concerns for residents near Lake Superior. A portion of nearby roadways are also closed. They're getting hit with brutal winter weather. And in South Dakota, 16 inches of snow have been reported in the western part of the state, with wind gusts reaching 50 miles per hour. Major highways are shut down, and the National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning.